Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To delete Chrome from our computer or laptop, we enter Control Panel. Here you will find many options. Let's click on View by Choose Category. Here, in the Programs category, click on Uninstall a program. Now, click on Search and type Chrome. Click on Accept. Then, the Chrome icon will appear here. We click it and at the top it says Uninstall. If we click on Uninstall, a window will appear to uninstall it automatically. Just click on OK. Make sure all Chrome windows are closed first. In case we are from our smartphone. To remove Chrome, the first way is to enter the Play Store. Then we click on the three lines. Go to My Apps. Then, click on the Installed tab. And here, we wait a moment for it to finish loading and click on Google Chrome. To remove it, we just click on Uninstall. It will be automatic. Another way to do this is to enter Settings. Then we click on Apps. And here, we click on the search engine. Type in Chrome. Click here to enter the options. Then, to remove it, click on Disable. If you're sure, click Disable again. When you do this, all the data we have saved in Chrome will be deleted. Click OK. That's it, the Chrome icon is gone. If after that, we want to install it or activate it again, we can return to Chrome's options and click on Enable. We also have the other option to go to the Play Store. Write Chrome at the top. Click on the search icon. And here we click to enter. Then, in the same way, we click on Enable or Install, depending on what appears to you. There, we can see that in our cell phone, the Google Chrome icon has appeared again. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.